Hey everybody, welcome back to the Wolf Pit with another episode of What Are We Eating? Today, we're going over Amy's 9.5 ounce vegetable lasagna that's made with organic pasta and vegetables that cost $5.68. We're actually going to be comparing Amy's vegetable lasagna with Stouffer's Veggie Lovers lasagna that we tried last week and cost $3.48, and it was very good and got a score of 8 out of 10. Here's the ingredient list in the Amy's vegetable lasagna, and just like the ingredients in the Stouffer's Veggie Lovers lasagna, there's very few ingredients. And Amy's can sell their product that contains 1 ounce less for $1 more because all the ingredients are organic. And I never understood why organic products cost more. I mean, I understand the definition of organic, but I just don't understand why it costs more. Manure, eggshells, and compost are free. Not to mention some of the stories I've heard about the free manure from the workers in the field going to the bathroom in the field. Manure is about as organic as you can get. So basically, if something says organic, you're paying extra for poop. Now I'm really looking forward to reading the comments for my opinion on organic foods. But I got tough skin, so let me have it. The whole container of Amy's vegetable lasagna has 350 calories, 14 grams of total fat, 6 grams of saturated fat, no trans fat, 30 milligrams of cholesterol, 670 milligrams of sodium, 40 grams of carbohydrates, 4 grams of fiber, 7 grams of sugars, and 16 grams of protein. Out of 80 reviews, Amy's vegetable lasagna got 4.1 stars out of 5. The most helpful positive review gave it 5 stars and said they're still enjoying Amy's vegetable lasagna. The most helpful negative review gave it 1 star and said it's sad. It said it's lower in sodium and fat, factory food. I have no clue what that means. You can cook Amy's vegetable lasagna in the microwave oven, conventional oven, or toaster oven. I don't have a toaster oven, but with me being the big spender I am, I bought 2 of the Amy's vegetable lasagna, 1 to cook in the microwave and 1 to cook in the oven for you, the people, so you don't have to. Now here it is right out of the freezer and right out of the box. Now 1 goes into the microwave and 1 goes into the oven according to the instructions on the box. Now after slitting the film and microwaving on high for 5 minutes and letting it rest for 1 minute, our microwave version of Amy's vegetable lasagna is ready. And I've got to say, it smells quite good. So we went inside and cut a corner out with our spoon, proceeded to scoop up a big old spoonful, and then into the old pie hole and down the gullet it went. The pasta was perfectly cooked, the tomato sauce was perfectly seasoned and very delicious. The ricotta cheese was nice and creamy, and nicely balanced out the acidity in the tomato sauce. But just like the Stouffer's Vegetable Lovers lasagna, it's missing the ooey gooey cheese. And I really like the fact that the Stouffer's Veggie Lovers lasagna was a creamy cheesy based sauce, and the Amy's vegetable lasagna is a tomato based sauce. So far, both vegetable lasagnas are almost equally as good. But right now, by just trying the microwave version, one of the vegetable lasagnas has a slight edge. Now after cooking in a 375 degree oven for 45 minutes, our second Amy's vegetable lasagna is ready. So once again, we went into the corner with our spoon to scoop out a big old bite. And like I mentioned in the Stouffer's vegetable lasagna video, the corners are usually my favorite part of the lasagna because they have the little bits of crunchy, overcooked cheese, which is so tasty. The Amy's didn't have as much as I would have liked, but it was still good. So into the old pie hole and down the gullet it went. The Amy's version of the vegetable lasagna cooked in the oven was slightly better than the microwave version. It seemed to have more flavor and the texture was better. But it wasn't wait 45 minutes until your dinner's ready better. But I thought the microwave version and the oven version were both very good. But at first, after trying the microwave version of the Stouffer's and the Amy's lasagna, I thought the Stouffer's Veggie Lovers lasagna was slightly better. But after trying both lasagnas both ways, and the Stouffer's with the creamy cheese sauce and the Amy's with the tomato-based sauce, I think they're equally good in their own right, which is why I'm giving Amy's vegetable lasagna an 8 out of 10. Thank you all very much for watching, and I'll see you soon.